Hi Dev, welcome back to Landro Game again. Today I will tell you about my game development journey. So, yeah, let's begin. The first game I already made was created by paper. I calculate XP, health, value, etc. manually. I changed the UI manually too using my eraser. Yeah, I became a game server and calculator. Surprisingly, my friend enjoy my game and we play it together. I started make game from paper when I studied at elementary school. Making game manually in paper make my math skill increase. After that, I play a lot with Point Blank online game. It make me dive into game world. I really enjoy playing games. After school, I usually go to computer rental to play some games. Before I love making games, I started it with making animation. It's stickman animation. I really enjoy making this stuff. Then I found Adobe Flash. That made me learn more about game development with ActionScript. During high school, I participate Province Computer Olympics. I became my town delegation. Of course, I only participated and didn't win any medals, but this experience dived me deeper into programming world. After learning some basic programming, I learned how to make website. I'm so excited cause with web development, I can program with only Notepad and browser. Then I learned advanced programming like object-oriented programming. I learned many things at this time. I learned Android development too. You know, I make my first Android project when I'll have a math test tomorrow. Yeah, I know it's crazy but it's fun. I started to learn game development when I'm college student. I studied at accounting college but I still learn coding. It makes me feel like hackers. I know language that others don't know. Then I met with Brackeys. I watch him a lot. While waiting the teacher to come, class discussion, or in the middle of accounting class, I always watch him. It's the best channel for Unity game development, yeah, of course. That inspired me to make this channel. And now I'm become a tax officer and still learn how to make a good game and English. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I need more support, so please smash that subscribe button please in the button below.